1, 2, 3, come on.
Multiply 354 by 5. 354 multiply by 5. Now suppose I am writing the example as the same, that is I has to expand this 354. So how I has to write that 300 plus 50 plus 4. Okay, I expanded this form and I has to take this whole number in a bracket and multiply by this 5. Here will be multiply by 5. First you has to write that 300. Okay. Then you have to write again plus 50. Again later on, that is last one 4. Now after that there is, see here is a multiply by 5. So what we have to do here we have to multiply by 5 each one. So I multiplied it by each one. ठीक है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि 300 plus 50 plus 4 is equal to 354 multiplied by 5. So is equal to a next step, that will be 300 multiplied by this 5 plus 4 50 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 5. So later on after this what you have to do, you have to put the equal sign under this and here will be 300 multiplied by 5. So here will be 3 5s are 15. Okay, and there are 2 zeros, so I added this 2 zeros. Directly you can say that 300 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1500. Plus sign will be as it is. Then 15 multiplied by 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, and this 0 just I put here directly this. Then 4 5s are 20. Okay, there what you have to do, you have to add it vertically or you can add it horizontally also, no problem. So I will add it, I will show using the each one by different color. Now this 0 is at one place, this 0 is at one place and this is also at one place. So 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0 and this plus will be again 0. Then this 2 will be at the 10th place, 5 will be at the 10th place, so add the 10th place. So 2 plus 5 there will be 7 because here is a 0. Then 5 plus 2 there will be again 7 and here will be. So इसका मतलब है कि our answer is, that is 354 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1770. So this example we solved it using expanded notation. ठीक है, got it? Okay. Now this is one more example with us, that is 1452 multiplied by 2. Now the same example we have to solve using expanded. 1452 multiplied by 2 is equal to, I has to expand this 1452. So here will be 1000. Okay, then there will be 400. Then there will be 50, then there will be 2 and at the end there will be multiplied by 2. Did it? So you have to take it in a bracket. Now using the next step what has to do, the same what we did in the previous example. Now here 1000 I will write as it is here 1000. Okay, then multiply by 2, this one we are multiplying, but I am showing this a little bit by different way. So then again here is a plus, so plus there will be 400, again a plus there will be 50, again a plus there will be 2. Now I will show using the different color here how it is. Now see, here is 1000, this multiply by 2, so I will here multiply by 2, plus 400 multiply by 2, again here 50 multiply by 2 and at the end this 2 multiply by 2. इसका मतलब क्या है कि we already did this in the previous example also, so you can take them in a bracket also, no problem. So easily you can solve it. ठीक है? So then now you have to solve it as a 1000 multiplied by 2, there will be 2000. Simple है. then plus 4 2s are 8, so 4 2s are 8 will be 800 because there is 400, then plus 50 multiplied by 2, so there will be 100, then 2 2s are 4, then here 2800 and this 100, so you can add one by one also, you can add using horizontal way also or vertical way also, you can write them in a column and you can add one by one also, no problem. 0 plus 0 plus 0, one space of each number, there is 4, then again second place, that is the 10th place, there is a 0, then 100 place, there is a 1, there is a 8, there is, so it will be 1 plus 8, there will be 9, and this is at the 2, so 2904 is the answer. This is our answer. 1452 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2904. This is our answer. Have you understood that? Okay.